Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 5 of marching through my minis. So basically I am trying to go through as many mini savings challenges as I can. I have like a stack like this. I've made a huge dent since December. I've been playing every day since December, which is kind of crazy to think about, but I've saved a lot of money and I've gone through my stash. So we are on day 5. Just going to set that over here. I bring $8 a day in March. I also brought $8 a day in February, except for a couple days I brought 10. But $8 seems to be all I can do right now, which I think is a great amount. So we took our prop coins out. We put we will put our $8 in our bank. So I'll put the 5 up front and the 3 back here. And this money just represents the savings challenges that we're currently working on. And when we complete one, we'll come up here and we'll pull the money. And I like to put it in a completed little envelope in the back. You can do whatever you want with it. And then I will do a randomizer. So sorry for my dog, Jake. I'll do a randomizer at the end of the month and see how much I save and where I'm going to put that money. And I like to see how many challenges I complete each month. So that's kind of a little gist of what I am doing here every day, and I'm just having fun saving money. I'm having fun with other people saving money with me. I don't know what that is. Looks like D-O. I don't know what I was writing on. Oh, I bet it was day. That's D-A, because I was probably writing my little day 5 stickers because I got some money lined up for the next week. So, all right. So let's get our little dice tower. It looks like a little log cabin. And I'm just going to raise the roof. And we are going to put however many prop coins in our envelope for the number that we roll. So we get 2 prop coins for number 3. We're starting at the paperclip. And then 1 for number 4. It's after dinner and the dogs want to play. But I was like, I have to film, so that they're being a little rambunctious. But Babe's out there playing with them. 1 and 2 for 6. And these super cute dashboards are from Brittany at Budgeting with a Ginger. You can get it on her Ko-fi. And 1, 2, and 3 for number 8. Go back to 1. 1, 2, and 3. Love it. How is your week going? Hopefully well. It's fun to hear that you guys are saving along with me, and when you finish one, I'm cheering you on. Love it so much. $8 a day. That might be all you have to save for the whole month. But this is a fun way to do it. 1 and 2, where you can save a little bit each day. And then at the end of the month, you might have anywhere from $200 to $300 that you can then put towards sinking funds or expenses, but you get to play with it first. That's the fun part. And I have 2 left, and we have 2 here. So we will put the paperclip on number 1. I think I was supposed to move the paperclip to 1. I didn't move it yesterday. That's okay. Everything's caught up now. So I'm going to scoot that out of the way. All right. So number 1 looks like it got 75 cents. Let's see what we're starting with. Oh, we have Danny at Craftco Budgets. We have her adorable mini that is from her 2025 savings book. So I will color in these 3 hearts and be right back. Okay, so that was 75 cents to start us off there. Put this back in here. All right, number 2 got 75 cents. And this one is from the Millennial Saver, so I can color in 3 circles. And I will be right back. Okay, so we have $3 or 3 circles colored in, and I already colored those in because that way we have an even $2 as opposed to making these a different amount. I have every spot on my challenges for 25 cents. So this one will go back in the envelope. And then number 3, we have, looks like 75 cents here as well. This one is from Hannah at Prop Budgets. Little bat says, "Bite me." So cute. All right, so let me get 3 more circles colored in. Sorry for the squeak. 1, 2, and 3. Right. Looks like everything's getting 75 cents so far. Yep. Same with number 4. And this one is from Carly over at Budget with Carly. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. So this one only needs 50 more cents. And then that one will be done. All right, number 5. Got $1. Oh, and it just needs 25 cents. This one is from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. We just had this one here left to do. So this one saved us $1, $2, $3, $4. I don't think I wrote that on there. So that's amazing. Oh wait, so we have 75 cents going into a new one. So let's go to our extras. And you're unforgettable. And I'm not going to make any comments about that little behind right there. So we're just going to do 3 squares. I probably made the volume low because that was super squeaky. So this one's from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budget. It's too funny. Okay. So yay, we finished one. Oh, we have a $1.25 for number 6. And this one is from Lean's Budget. And same with the other one. I just covered those or colored those in. So this one will save us $2. So we can do this whole row. So 25, 50, 75, and $1, and then 25. Just drinking a Coca-Cola. I love it. Coke cheers to you, Neen. Okay, so number 7. Also $1.25. This one is from Isabel Gigi on Etsy. So I can do this one for 25 and then do 25, 50, 75, and $1. So this one still needs $1.25 to finish. And then last but not least, we have number 8. Let's see, 8 got 50. So we have $1.50 going into number 8. This one is from Vicky Thinks. And we can do this whole row and then 2. So I'll be right back. All right, so that is $1.50 entered there. We finished one today. We made great progress on the rest. So that is awesome. So this one, what did I say, saved us $4. So we'll go back up to our bank and we will grab 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put this back in here. Let's put our prop coins back. Too cute to pinch. So adorable. And then we'll go back to completed, and I will put my $4 in here. And I will put my 1 challenge in there. Yay! Day 5. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you come back tomorrow for day 6. And I hope you have a great rest of your day and a fantastic week. And until next time, take care. Bye.